Matrix Welding Products Division is a one-stop welding shop offering welding equipment, electrodes, wires, multi-process welding torches, accessories, and chemicals with world-leading brands of Kobelco, Panasonic, Abico Bimcell, Perfect Power, and Attica Weld, complemented with industry-recognized sales and aftermarket support team. We are collaborated with leading companies in Sri Lanka of various industries from rubber, power and energy, construction, steel and many more sectors. We are proud to offer our customers an extensive selection of products with a constantly updated and ever-growing inventory. With our wide range of stock, you can be sure to find everything you need at Matrix. As a leading engineering service provider, we want your purchase to be a success both during and after the sale. That's why we provide extensive after-service support and resources so you get the most out of your product, ensuring maximum satisfaction with your purchase.
Our industry experienced sales and technical support team working towards support valuable customers by providing pre- and aftermarket support in process selection, training, on-site demonstration, warranty management with globally reputed and reliable welding brands.
We provide 24/7 customer care service to ensure that our customers are always taken care of. Our product demonstrations, trainings and aftercare service are tailored to each customer's individual needs. Our aftercare service is headed by an engineer who are in the field for more than 20 years in the industry along with his team of skilled technicians. With our customer care service, you can rest assured that you are in good hands. Intelligent market analysis, automated reordering system, principals support ensures the 100% availability on fast-moving welding consumables, assuring doorstep delivery island-wide.